Here's some video of us repairing our 2950 front end loader. We had to split it to replace the clutch, and we had to fix the transmission. The third gear fork was completely wore out, and we did some other odds and ends. And well, here's the videos for you. Enjoy. All right, this is our front end loader 2950. You can see we have a little bit of a project here going on. Clutch went out, so we had to split it. We have, that's the flywheel we had turned down. New clutch packings right there. The next project we have, it's got a high-low in the transmission that hasn't been working. So we are working on a strategy on splitting this again to take out the transmission and the clutch housing, which is separates from here to here, so that we can take out that high-low clutch pack and replace that. So this is how far we've gotten now. I have the clutch all back together. We have the clutch housing tore off inside there. We had to take off the high-low planetary, and we're having this fixed. The clutch packings are out. And we had to take our rocker arms off and fix a fork on our transmission that was broke. And we never had third gear. So that's as far as we are. And we're waiting on parts now. And we'll start putting everything back together. This was our shifter fork on third gear. That's how much was holding, just 1/8 of an inch. It was wore out that much. So we got our transmission housing and clutch housing back together, and rocker arms back on, and I'm working on the throwout. Alright, I'm back in the 2950. We got it back together, taking it for a test drive. Got the new clutch in, nice and tight. High and low works, that's good. That's, right here, that's what we had to fix this for. Clutch is nice and tight, works good.